Hi, I'm Benedetta from local Aromas in Italy, and I'm here today with my sister Valeria and our favorite recipe book to teach you how to make Saltimbocca alla Romana.
Which literally means, Saltimbocca literally means jump in your mouth.
But Roman style.
Let's start with the recipe. You need a piece of veal. And this, for instance, it's too big. So we're gonna cut it in half to get smaller portions. And then you flatten the veal.
Flatten it a little bit. Then you take a piece of prosciutto crudo with fat, important, and sage. How do we assemble it? Take the veal, on top of it you put the piece of prosciutto, on top of the prosciutto you put the leaf of sage. Then you grab a toothpick and you close it as if you were putting a pin on a shirt.
Right, you close it like that. You get a pan, put half of the butter, and once it melts, you put the Saltimbocca alla Romana, but you are putting the prosciutto facing downwards, contact with the pan, because
the prosciutto and the fat is going to melt, and it's going to give the butter and the entire pan just this incredible flavor, and that's what you're looking for.
So you cook the Saltimbocca on one side, then on the other. When it's ready, you sprinkle some salt, some pepper, and you remove them from the pan and you put it on a serving plate.
And here comes a wonderful trick. Take about 2 spoonfuls, well, it depends. Take about 2 spoonfuls of water, put it in the pan. This is because you want to capture every single bit of flavor that is in the pan. Then you add the remaining butter, and then
once it's melted,
well, of course, you have to have the butter melt. Then you pour it on top of the Saltimbocca, and it's like eating candy. It's one after another. They are just delicious.
Delicious.